Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video today I bring you another review of ULG gel polishes. You have seen before, they come in a set of 6 in this box, but I've already removed everything out of the box, and these are available on Amazon, so I will have the link down in the description bar below. In the box there was a little thank you pamphlet, as you can see here, and also another little pamphlet here giving you instructions if you are new to gel polish application. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use them. They were also nice enough to include a buffer. I do love having these. Are always very handy. Now, unlike other sets that I've reviewed before, these bottles, and I'm going to show you one from a previous review so you can see the difference. So while both bottles are 10 ml, the only difference in these is that this one this set does not have the swatch caps on the top. Okay, they just have a sticker with the number of the polish. The polish, they don't have names, they go by numbers, and they just have a sticker simulating the color of what it's inside. I never believed that papers are the exact color of the polish, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these on my nails, right on my hand. I'm going to do 3 on one hand and 3 on the other. These are all cream colors, no glitters, all beautiful cream, neutral, very soft neutral colors. You'll see there's some beige colors and some peach colors, so you'll see how they go. I'm going to go ahead and try them on my nails, and then I'm going to create an accent with all 3 of them combined. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here's the final result of my swatches. What did you guys think? Oh, I fell in love with the art. I really like them. This is, needless to say, this is going to be my weekend mani. So you see how I combine. Okay, so here are the 6 colors right there, just by themselves. And so yeah, you saw how I combined these 3 together. I like them. And then these 3 together. And then, do you have a favorite hand? Right, this one versus left. So this, yeah, like a tangerine orange right there. That one and this one, I did 3 coats for both of those. For some reason, they seem to be like the most Well, okay, this one being the brightest, and out of the 6, you know, these are like the 2 brighter of the set. They took 3 coats for a desired opacity, in my opinion. But yeah, I like them very neutral, and I will have to say, guys, my favorite is this pink, this soft semi-sheer pink. It builds up nicely. Look at it, only 2 coats. I only did 2 coats for that one, and it's because it reminds me of a lot of neutral or natural pink poly gels and builder gels, and I'm so happy to have it in a gel polish. It's just so pretty and natural. I don't know, there's just something about it. It's not just your regular pink polish. There's something about it that I really like. So you saw how this, I just finished them up with the water decal. Very simple nail art, but there you go. So if you have a set of, you know, 6 colors, they don't have to go independently. You can always mix and match and get away with some unique nail art. So like I said, I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank ULG for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.